Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at the Wuben E7 EDC flashlight. Although it says specifically, this is not a flashlight, this is Wuben ECL. ECL is Easy Carry Light. But spoiler alert, I think it's still a flashlight. In any case, it's a really good light. So first, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. Alright, a shout out to Wuben for sending this to me. Great stuff indeed. And I've heard of the brand, of course, but I've never tried out the flashlights, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised. So I'll talk about the packaging first. Really well packaged, designed for retail outlets as well as just online shopping, e-commerce, but great as a gift. So very professionally done. I think it's not plain, it's simple, but has all the things you expect from kind of a tech gadget like this that you'll find in a gadget shop. So this is the light, the E7. It's actually a bit modular in a sense. It is a small light, but it can be used for a headlamp. You can also extend it with a larger battery, so it's a larger light. So many different capabilities. And here you can see some of the specs. I won't read them out to you, but you can see and have a look. Basically 1800 lumens. It's got a waterproof rating of IP68 and all the other things that you see over here. All right, let's open it up. So as mentioned, you can see that's the packaging. Pull it out and you get another box here. And this one, we open it this way. Right, so you get an instruction booklet in various languages. Very simple instructions, so that's what I like about the lights. If you know me, I'm not an expert on flashlights, and in all my reviews of flashlights I always mention that I never like the over-complicated lights. I like intuitive lights, and I would say this falls under that simple to use intuitive flashlight if you're very used to this kind of a flashlight. Right, we have the flashlight here. Just show you this box over here. This is basically the lanyard. Let's try to open it first. Outsmarted by a box. I have opened it up before, yes. So you do have the charging cable. It's a Type-C cable, and then you have a little bag here, and this is a lanyard if you like to add it to your flashlight. So that's basically it. Some O-rings over here as well, just to ensure that it's waterproof. All right, let's take this out. As you can see, it's a very small flashlight. Let me take something. All right, we've got a Swiss Army knife over here, just to see the size comparison. A Leatherman as well. So you can see a very handy size, and I think that's pretty impressive for, I think, the capabilities of the light as well. Now you notice that the configuration is a bit different. So the light is not at the end, but it's by the side over here, and the clip is over here. So this clip actually can go onto a headband. I don't have the headband attachment. You can buy that separately, so you can slot that on. You can also put this on a backpack strap. If you do have a horizontal strap that just straps in, you can strap it to a belt. So basically, I guess it's meant more for on the move. If you're exploring, you want to attach this to a pack, a bag, or a strap and move around, or a headlamp. That's what this is for. And of course, you could use it as a small flashlight as well. Now the end here is magnetic, so you can add that and use that as kind of a downlight as well, which is pretty cool. All right, so let's just talk about the functionality. Very simple. Just press that and you get the light. Press and hold. You get it brighter. Press and hold again. You get it even brighter. Press off. Now press twice, you get turbo. And then if you press 3 times, you get strobe. And then press once to go back, press once to switch off. So very simple, and I like that. So that's intuitive. If you're familiar with this style of a EDC flashlight, and that's the basic functions of single clicks, double clicks, and holding, you have no problem with this. So I really appreciate that. Now, very sturdy construction. It is very small, very compact, but feels very strong as well. So this is your USB charging port over here. So nice dust cover for protection. and that's where the IP rating comes in as well, so that goes in nicely. Now this is a rechargeable battery, but it is their kind of proprietary battery over here. Now they gave me an extension, and that's this over here. So this is the E7, I believe, battery extender. Now this is basically to go onto the flashlight, and you need a larger battery, which I don't have, but that's the option that you have. So if you wanted a larger capacity flashlight, just add that extender. This goes here, and now you have a little handle, and you have a bigger flashlight, so you have a longer lasting battery, something you can use for a longer period of time. So that's pretty cool and nice to have these modular attachments if you need, depending on your use. If not, it just goes in here, and that's that. Alright, so how would I use this particular flashlight? Definitely great for the outdoors. I do already have a headlamp, but if I were to get the extra headlamp band, then I'll have an extra. But this is also good because I can clip this to my backpack, I can clip this to my belt. Doesn't take up much space, it's not that heavy, so I think in terms of the functionality, it's great to have that additional light. And if I'm going out hiking, especially if it's going to be at night, or camping, then definitely you want that hands-free option, especially if you're moving around camp. So this allows you to have that flexibility. Overall, a very small, compact, but great flashlight. But remember, it's not a flashlight, it's the Wuben E7. So just remember that. But I would definitely recommend it. Now the price is also great. It's $24 US. I'll put the link in the description as well as the comment, so you can check it out there. I think this is a great deal if you're looking for a small compact flashlight, which is very powerful, has your basic dimness and brightness, and easy to use controls, and something that you can clip on so they can move about. I would definitely recommend this. So a great little light from Wuben. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you own this flashlight or you own any other Wuben flashlights, let me know what you think about the Wuben brand. I would really love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.